Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Minecraft connection timed out error, also known as Getsockopt. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are a couple of different ways that we can fix this. The first thing that you'll need to do is head over to your Start menu and search for CMD. Then, you need to right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. In this window, you need to type in ipconfig //flushdns and then hit Enter. Once you've entered this command, you can close out of this window and then head back over to the Start menu. Search for Control Panel and click on the Control Panel window. Now, at the top, make sure View By is set to Large Icons, and then here click on Network and Sharing Center. From the left-hand side, select Change Adapter Settings, and then locate your network from this list. Mine is Wi-Fi, and we need to right-click on this and select Properties. From this list of options, select Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties, and right down here at the bottom, you'll need to select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now in here, just type in the numbers 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Then you can press OK to save the changes and close out of this window. The last thing we're going to do is head back over to the Start menu, search for Windows Defender, and then click on the Windows Defender firewall. From the left-hand side, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And now, you need to scroll all the way down, and you're looking for Minecraft in this list. Once you find both Minecraft and the launcher, make sure both private and public are ticked. Another thing to look for in here is a process called Java. It might be labeled either Java or javaw.exe. And you also need to make sure private and public are ticked for this process. I actually don't have it in my list, but if you do have it, make sure private and public are ticked. Then once you've set all of these changes, you can just press OK at the bottom here, and then try launching Minecraft, and that should have now fixed the connection issue. So that's basically how you can fix Minecraft connection timed out error. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.